Hey guys, so welcome to the second half of Sunday. I thought I would share with you guys the rest of our evening, and I've already kind of started editing the other video. So, and I just took off my sunglasses, but I think we've decided, and hopefully this fall, I don't know, it just depends on what's going on with stuff right now. But I think we're gonna build a deck back here. So I'm very, very excited about that. Hoping that when we do build our deck that, I want to build it so where, you know, it comes out right here at the end of the patio or fireplace area. And obviously I just want to bring it out here and out a little further and wider, and then back this way obviously, and then down towards the end of the house right there. So it'll kind of extend our, you know, outdoor space quite a bit. So it'll give us more sitting room over here, obviously sitting room here, and then we can have more sitting room over here, which is going to be nice. And then what I'll end up doing is moving the grill and stuff over here, like probably on this side. I'm not sure yet, but I just know it's going to be extending the sitting area, which is going to be nice, and it's not going to be so crappy because I hate this patio. Brian and I both hate this patio. It's like, this is the size of the patio that they built for this house. Look, it's like from right here all the way right here. That's just too small for, you know, the stuff that we have and how we want to sit out here and everything. So, but it works for now. And then hopefully eventually we'll have like a top that goes across here or whatever, and then I'll stripe lights and stuff up there as well. So that is the plan. That is our goal. That is what we want to do. But right now we have a few things that are on hold because Brian's company and everything, so we're just kind of waiting for all that stuff to be done, which probably won't be for a while. So but anyway, so yeah, that's it. I have dishes in the dishwasher, and Brian's outside finishing up on his mower, and then we're gonna make snow cones. So I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when we're ready to make snow cones. A well of slushy. Yeah. I forgot how this works, honestly. But we got Hawaiian Punch Juicy Red for the snow cone syrup. Brian is getting ice. Okay, come on, bring your ice over here. Good Lord.
I don't remember where the button is at.
I don't recall either.
Or you push down on that. That's what you
Oh, is that what you do?
Yep,
oh, okay. Ice everywhere.
Don't.
Kind of smells like it's burning.
Well,
you can take it off. Brian, quit. I can't do it with one hand, dude, so you're gonna have to do it. Cut it with the knife or something.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what we're doing for dinner tonight. We're doing, like I said earlier, burgers on the grill and some bratwursts, which are going to be so good when they're done. So, yum, yum, yum. Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. Welcome to the beginning of the week. Woo, I have a lot of stuff going on this week, stuff to prepare us for our trip that we're taking. We are leaving Friday, if you guys did not know that. We are going to be spending some of our time up in Chicago with Brian's family, and then the rest of the time in Tennessee with my family. So yeah, we're going to be gone for a good week. We are leaving Friday and will not be back until the following Friday. So yeah, I'm looking forward to a long, nice trip. Most of it probably will not be relaxing because we're going to be constantly on the go, but I'm just looking forward to seeing family and spending some time with both sides of our family. Today I am headed over to London's house. We are going to be hanging out by the swimming pool in her complex, which I am super excited about because it's supposed to be close to 100 degrees, if not 100 degrees today. And I'm just like, I'm ready to sit by a swimming pool, just kind of sit there and chit chat with friends, or friend, and get some sun and just enjoy the day. So I have a few things I have to do before I leave. One is making the bed. The other is just kind of cleaning up the living room and cleaning up the kitchen, which I've already kind of straightened up the living room. I folded up the blankets and stuff and just kind of fluffed the couch. But I got to do my morning routine before I leave for the day. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I wasn't sure if I think I'm going to jump in the shower really quick and just shower before I leave, because even though I know I'm going to shower when I get home because of the chlorine and stuff, but I just kind of wanted to feel a little fresh before I left. So yeah, I'm going to make up the bed, clean up the kitchen, and then jump in the shower and get my bathing suit on, and then I'm going to head out. I told her I'd be there about 10:30, so yeah, I've got about 2 hours to go. So
she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. I can try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try again. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try again.
Made it over here to London's. There she is.
Hey.
She made the most awesome, what do you call it? Egg and avocado salad?
Avocado salad.
It is so good.
Avocado egg salad. However,
Look at that. It is so good. She's got cilantro in there, onion, egg, avocado, mustard, mayonnaise, and a little bit of lemon juice, you said? And that is so good.
And then you season it with like whatever.
Yeah, she just seasoned it with a bunch of like, oh my gosh, it is so good. And she put hers on bread, and I was just putting mine on like a little bit of Ritz cracker. Delicious, something I'm definitely going to be making at home. And I actually asked her to like do a video on how to make it, so
I'll be doing that probably today because I'm going to do it over. Because the avocado isn't as soft as I like them.
Yeah. It was fine though. I mean, they were still edible. It wasn't like a hard avocado.
Yeah.
It was like smush, you know. But
Yeah.
but it didn't come out of the avocado shell like she wanted it to, which I understand. That's tough when you get avocado.
Yeah. You want it to just kind of
come out nicely.
fall
Yeah.
out.
But we are sitting here at the swimming pool, and nobody is here. I kind of thought it would be packed, but I forgot it's Monday and everybody else has to work. Sorry, people. Sorry, folks. But look at, we got the pool to ourselves. And look, they got a little gazebo over there. She said they got ice and what'd you say, a refrigerator where you can put things in, and a little TV with cable. So it's really nice. So we're just enjoying ourselves and getting some sun. Catching up, making plans for the middle of July for us to go do stuff. So I think we're gonna go get in the pool. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So yay! Hello! We're in the water. It's so nice.
Yes, it is.
I wanna be with you. 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 Let's go tonight. Maybe you can stay the night. I wanna be with you. I wanna be. Don't let this go tonight. You go. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go tonight.
See, mukbang. We're doing guacamole and egg salad. It's so good. We are just sitting here talking because there's a YouTuber
I still haven't found that.
who, and I'm not going to say who it is, but nonetheless, all she does is eat all the time. That's it. All she does is eat. And she got like 12,000 subscribers, and we just don't get it. I don't understand. We don't understand. We don't get it.
Yeah.
We're confused. It has been so nice outside today. Just lovely. Just chatting and enjoying each other's company.
Yes.
Mm.
It's been really nice. It's so nice out here. It feels good. Huh?
I like this. So you guys, it's about ready to storm. This hat is like so big. I feel like it's like a sombrero. A cucaracha, a cucaracha. I feel like I'm wearing a sombrero. This hat is so big. I say I feel like I'm wearing a sombrero. But anyway, this is like their nice little bar area, which is really nice. They got like a TV up there. They've got ice in that one, which is amazing, and then a refrigerator. And they've got grills here, which is nice, but it's about ready to storm. Oh, and a big fire pit over there where you can sit and relax, and that's awesome. But we are about ready to leave because it's about ready to storm. So that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna drop her off at home, and then I'm gonna head home. She has to go pick up her son. It's about 1:30. So we've been out here for quite a few hours, which is wonderful. And it went by so quick though. But we'll definitely have to do it more often. Oh, push to exit. That would be nice. If I could read. Pay attention. I know, wasn't it so nice?
It was so relaxing.
Yes, it was.
This was like a spa day.
It was.
Massage.
Right. Well, we're definitely gonna have to look into that.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get a massage, a
Yeah.
real one.
Yep, we're gonna have to do that. But that's gonna conclude my little visit with London today. I know.
A little time went by quick.
It did. But now she's inspired me to make that salad, so I'm gonna make it. It is. Alrighty guys, yep. So I am back from London. I had such a nice time with her. It was just so relaxing. We just got to sit there and soak in the pool and just be relaxed. I don't know where that came from. But anyway, while I was gone, my shoes got delivered and my FabFitFun box got delivered as well. So I'll be doing a video on my FabFitFun box, which will post one day next week while I'm gone. And then I ordered these shoes because I was kind of looking, for some white sandals. And I ordered these sandals. These are super cute. Because I wanted some white sandals for next week while we're out, because I have a red dress that I want to wear and I have a navy blue dress that I want to wear. Even though I like wearing the silver shoes with the navy blue, I really wanted to wear these with my red dress. So I got these sandals. These are super cute. I ordered them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you guys are interested. They are Dream Pairs shoes. And like I said, I think they were like 15 bucks, I think, or maybe 20. I know they were less. I know they weren't over $20, but aren't they cute? I think they're really cute. I love these kind of shoes too. I like strappy shoes. So I ordered those. I'm very happy that I got them. And then I'll do my FabFitFun box next week. But that's gonna end my video for today, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in London a little bit today. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys. Oh, and I made it home right in time too before the rain, and then I jumped in the shower really quick and took a shower to wash all the chlorine out of my hair too. Yeah, that's what I did. Just wanted to tell you guys. I don't know why, but yeah, I did. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.